Hello, how to evaluate with that calculator? This is 5 power 7 minus 6. So what I'm going to do is I have 5. Instead of writing 7 here, this is 6 plus 1 minus 6. Now, if you have a power x plus y, this equals a power x times a power y. I have 5 to the power of 6 times 5 to the power of 1 minus, this is 6, I can express it as 5 plus 1. So from here, I have 5 power 6 times 5 minus 5 minus 1. I can decide to factor out this 5 here. I have 5 times this is 5 power 6 minus 1. So from here, I can have 5 times 5 power 6. This is what 5 power this is 3 times 2 minus 1. And this is the same as writing 5 times this is 5 power 3 to the power of 2 minus 1. Now I have 5 times, here I can have 5 power 3 to the power of 2 minus 1. This is to the power of 2. So 1 to the power of 2 is the same as 1. We can apply difference of 2 squares here. A squared minus b squared equals a minus b times a plus b. So we simply have 5 times this is 5 minus 1, and this is 5 plus 1. This is 5 to the power of 3. And there's minus 1 here. Okay, we have made use of it, so it's just this way. Alright, so from here, we have 5 times 5 power 3 as 125 minus 1. Then this is 125 plus 1. So from here, we have 5 times this is 124. And this is 126. So to multiply this out, I can express this as this is 5 times. This is 100 plus 24. This is 100 plus 26. Now, if you have a plus b times a plus c, this equals a squared plus b squared plus b times plus a times b plus c plus b times c. And this is how you expand it. This is my a, this is my b, this is my a, this is my c, because b is different from c. A squared plus 8 times b plus c plus b times c. So that means you simply have this is 100 squared plus this is 100 times 24 plus 26 plus 24 times 26. This is 10,000. 100 squared, that is 10,000. Plus this is 100 times this is 50. Plus this is 24 times 26. 6 times 4, 24. 4 carry over 2, 6 times 2, 12 plus 2, 14. Now, 2 times 4, 8. 2 times 2, we have 4. Now, what we are going to do is to add. This is 4, this is 12. And this is 6. 6 to 4. So, we simply have this because this is 10,000 plus this will be 5,000. This is plus 624. So if you add up everything here, this is 15,624. So if you multiply it by 5, you have 5 times 15,624. This is 15,624 times 5. 5 times 4 is 20. To carry over 2, 5 times 2. 10 plus 2, 12. To carry over 1. 5 times 6, 30 plus 1, 31. 1 carry over 3. 5 times 5, 25 plus 3, 28. I carry over 2. 5 times 1, 5 plus 2. This is it. 78,120. 78,120. So our answer here, 78,120.